So the first video I ever did on this channel was something I threw together about my old reliable Toshiba, which is well over 10 years old now. It served me well, but it's getting a bit slow on Windows, so maybe it could be better. I mean, this is an i7 Gen 2 and 8 gigs of RAM. Compared to some lower end laptops, this could still be decent, right? Well, I dusted it off to give ChromeOS Flex a whirl. The process for installing is fairly simple. First, we have to create a boot drive. Then we can flash it to the laptop. First off, rummage through some old USB drives for a tribute. It'll need to be over 8 gigs. Then we open up Chrome and jump to the Chrome web store, where we download the Chromebook recovery utility. Once this is installed, we can launch it as a Chrome extension and follow the prompts. It'll eventually ask you to enter a model number. Here, we instead opt to select a model, looking for Google ChromeOS Flex as the manufacturer and ChromeOS Flex as the product. Then pretty much just follow the prompts along. Once it goes about its own business, it'll take around 20 minutes. Now that we have our boot drive, ensure it's inserted and then restart. During the startup process, we want to change the default boot drive so it hits our USB instead. This differs by manufacturer, but ideally, we're looking for a prompt on the loading screen before Windows, even if only for a moment. You may need to Google your device if you're not sure. For my Toshiba, it was F12. Once we select our USB as the boot drive, it will then boot to Chrome. As before, keep following the prompts along. It even gives you an option to try ChromeOS before committing by running it directly off the USB, if you're not entirely sold. Keep following it along, and after another 15 minutes or so, you should be able to boot into ChromeOS for real. The upside of ChromeOS is once it's booted up and you've logged in with your Google account, you're basically done, as Chrome is all you need. Is it worthwhile to do though? Well, it might depend on your device, as it still doesn't change what it is. My Toshiba still has an overly noisy fan, an average trackpad, and a dud battery. I could change that battery over for a new one, and probably get some okay battery life though. It did run the included apps and Chrome without a hitch though. In fact, I would say that browsing Chrome was even quicker and smoother than it was on Windows. You do have to commit to only Chrome though, as unlike full Chromebooks, Flex can't access Android apps or the Play Store. Rather annoying, as it locks you out of a lot of productivity apps and games. Surely this i7 would have been able to handle it. But Chrome has plenty of use too. I even wrote this script on my Toshiba in Google Docs. If you want the most out of an old device, a Linux distribution may be more powerful, but it's hard to argue with the simplicity of ChromeOS Flex and some of its included Android pairings like PhoneHub. While I personally love ChromeOS, my Toshiba probably won't be getting any extra love, as I already have a favoured ChromeOS device that gets plenty of use. Cheers for watching guys. If you found this helpful, why not chuck us a like? It's free and it really helps out tiny channels like mine. Until next time, take it easy and stay casual.